Introducing the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Lincoln prioritized comfort and style by including leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, and a blind spot monitoring system. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.